Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to apply for an Uganda electronic visa or e-visa for tourism. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so guys, in front of you I have opened this Directorate of Citizen and Immigration Control website. Here the application process is given in 3 steps. Select the application type, fill the form, add documents and submit. So if you're coming for the first time, click on start an application. Terms conditions are written. You can read and understand. Permit type. So I'm selecting visa. So I'm selecting ordinary tourist visa. Subcategories, yes, only single entry has come. So these are the documents that you need. Like for tourism, you need a return ticket. And if you have family visit and any other thing like transit, then you have other requirements. Like if you have a conference, then conference. Fee is gonna be $50. Click next step. Okay. You want to associate this visa to a group? Okay. Don't. This is not a mandatory field, so I just left it because we don't want to. First name. So I'm putting samples. You do it as per your own case and verify everything at least 2 times. Date of birth. Wow. Marital status. Single. Current nationality. Do you have dual nationality? Place of birth, city, state, province. Okay. Country of birth. Do it as per your own case, guys. And this you can find it in your passport also. Immigration status in country of residence. Country of residence. City of residence. Current residential address. Provide proper address. Don't do something like this. Phone number. Email. Passport type. Ordinary. Passport number. Country. Place of issue. Date of issue. Date of expiry. This you can do it yourself. I don't have to explain this. But yes, one thing you must do is to verification. Before, like when you enter and submit, verify at least 2 times. You have children endorsed in passport accompanying you. I select no. Other data, address in Uganda, person, organization, hotel, whatever is this, like provide the full details. List of 5 countries or less you visited, or none if no countries were visited. Purpose of visit, tourism, date of arrival, point of entry, or where you want to have the visa personalized. Like this. Duration of stay requested. Period in days. Have you ever denied a visa before? I select no. Have you been deported before? I selected no. Have you convicted any country? No. Criminal proceedings? No. Like this question, point of entry where you want your to have your visa personalized, you should go to the selected point to have your visa sticker printed and have your fingerprints captured. So you can select based on your location. Not a robot. Now documents, passport, photograph, vaccination certificate, return ticket. If you want to add new documents, you can add new documents. Next is gonna be the payments. Of course, I'm not gonna do that, but you got an idea how to do this. So thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.